ये आपने कैसे डिसाइड किया कि आपको बच्चा नहीं चाहिए?
मैंने ऐसा कभी डिसाइड नहीं किया कि मुझे बच्चा नहीं चाहिए. इन माई हेड आई वॉज लाइक जब मुझे बच्चा चाहिए होगा मैं करूँगी. आई लव चिल्ड्रन. इट्स द पेरेंट्स आई कांट स्टैंड. आई डोंट वांट टू बिकम अ पेरेंट.
तो क्या आपको ये नया रोल नहीं एक्सपीरियंस करने का मन किया कि चलो लेट मी बी अ मदर?
नहीं, मुझे ये कभी नहीं हुआ क्योंकि क्या हुआ ना कि आई वॉज वेरी हैप्पी एंजॉइंग लाइफ and we've been having a very good time. We are so selfish to the fact that we don't want drama, Baba.
तो आपको कोई भी रिग्रेट है इस चीज का?
मुझे रिग्रेट इसलिए नहीं है क्योंकि I don't know what I want to give that child in this world. I don't know is there a world livable enough for this child?
But then अच्छी चीजें भी तो हो रही हैं.
क्या अच्छी चीजें हो रही हैं? आप मुझे बताओ, क्या मेरे प्यार से वो सांस ले पाएगा?
It's actually one of my big reasons to think about whether I want children or not. You know, there has been talk about wars happening for water for a while now, and I truly believe that that will happen. The human race as a whole disgusts me a little bit. I'd be in a constant state of stress and worry.
Yeah, and the mothers are around me. जिनके बच्चे हैं ना, वो constantly ये कह रहे हैं कि पहले ना हम लोग कैसे थे कि हम लोग अपने पेरेंट्स से डरते थे.
Yeah.
आज की डेट में हम अपने बच्चों से डरते हैं.
Super. So here we are with Ash and Vasuki. Vasuki, let me start with you. You have been so busy these days.
Yeah.
You've started your own venture and you're in and out of Bombay and Delhi, and you've been a lawyer, actor, and now this. How's life been? Tell me.
For the last couple of years, life has been a bit of a roller coaster, to be honest, because like you said, I just started a new venture. I started a gelato business. It's one of those areas which I'm, learning as I go along. ये नहीं कि पहले पता था मुझे कि फूड बिजनेस में एंटर करना क्या होता है, फूड बिजनेस कैसे चलाना है. I'm learning on the job. So the last 2 years has been a learning experience and simultaneously trying to get good at it also, not just learning, because
Yes.
I'm also setting up a business. Yeah, it's been a bit, it's been quite up and down, but today I think I'm quite proud of how far I've come in a couple of years. So,
Absolutely. Multiple stores in different cities, and I personally feel food business is a little difficult one, as we were discussing. So great going. And Ash, we've been friends. We know each other through Porus, and the way I know you, you're like this person full of energy, full enthusiasm. जो है सो है, आप मुंह पे बोलते हो. You've been doing shows back to back, big shows.
Touchwood.
Yes, Touchwood. And you've been traveling. You produced and acted in your own Punjabi film. And
Hindi film. Yeah.
Hindi, oh yes.
It was a Hindi
Sorry,
film.
produced and acted in your own Hindi film. Started your own YouTube video. How's it been?
Nothing is planned. So I don't even think that मैंने कभी सोचा था इतना सब कुछ हो जाएगा. I think take life as it comes to you, and of course learn along the way. And sometimes you're let down, and sometimes you come out shining, and that's how life is going to be. So that's always something that I live by now. Now I can say कि हाँ ये तो पता है कि it's going to be always changing. It's never going to be constant, and take it for what it is at that point in time of your life.
और अब मुझे बताओ कि ये सब के बीच में, हमारी लाइफ के बीच में, ये आपने कैसे डिसाइड किया कि आपको बच्चा नहीं चाहिए?
किससे पूछ रहे हो?
आप बताओ.
मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था. Like for me, like it's a very personal, individual thing. I think it's a choice. Individually, personally, for me, मैं खुद कैसी हूँ मुझे अब जाके लाइफ में पता लगा है. In my late 30s, अब मुझे खुद नहीं पता था who am I, what do I want, what am I doing, is this what I want to do. Like I'm not, मैं कभी भी ऐसी नहीं थी जिसको पता था कि इस एज में मैं ये करूँगी, इस एज में मैं ये करूँगी, मुझे ये पढ़ना है, मुझे ये सीखना है. No, never. I was always identifying with what life gave me at that point in life, and then after a while मुझे realize हो गया कि मुझे पता ही नहीं है मुझे क्या चाहिए. मुझे नहीं पता मुझे क्या चाहिए, and I was okay with it. There was never a struggle to break into another identity and get this at this time. There was never that sort. There वो fire थी नहीं, वो खिंच थी नहीं, वो कीड़ा था ही नहीं कभी. I was very complacent. I was a hippie. I was probably in, like, there was a music festival and I was the DJ in that festival, and I was dancing on my own tune. For the longest time, it kept on going like that. अब kept on going like that, तो fine, ठीक है, चलता गया, काम आता गया, you started growing in life, but obviously the biological clock जिसको कहते हैं, वो तो मतलब आपके आजू बाजू के लोग तो बता ही देते हैं ना आपको, अगर आप भी नहीं सोच रहे हो तो आपको तो दिखाई देते हैं, घड़ी तो दिखाई देते हैं ना. तो फिर also since Vasuki doesn't know, I'm not married, I've been in a living relationship ever since I met my boyfriend.
Okay.
So anyways, I had broken the traditional path at a very tender age of 18 and a half, you know. Decided to live in since then, and I've been living in since then. So it's been the two of us have been together for about 20 years now. ये तो चलता ही रहा.
क्या आपको ये नया रोल नहीं एक्सपीरियंस करने का मन किया कि चलो लेट मी बी अ मदर?
नहीं, मुझे ये कभी नहीं हुआ, क्योंकि क्या हुआ ना कि I was very happy enjoying life.
And you don't want to spoil the happiness.
Yeah,
basically.
मेरे और मेरे partner के लिए, my boyfriend now and forever, we love having a good time. Let me put it that way. Let me just not make it very spirituality or any other thing to this. We just love having a good time. And we've been having a very good time. Because we are so selfish to our sense of peace. We are so selfish to the fact that we don't want drama, बाबा. मतलब बहुत अच्छी सुकून वाली जिंदगी है. अपने लिए उठो, अपनी चाय पियो, अपने काम पे जाओ, घर आओ, अपनी ज़िंदगी को स्ट्रक्चर करो. द लग्जरी टू डिज़ाइन योर लाइफ का जो कॉन्सेप्ट है. इनफैक्ट माई बॉयफ्रेंड हैड टोल्ड मी वंस, यू नो, एंजेलिना जोली के there's a tattoo behind that says know your right. And I think that's a very beautiful thing that she's put up there. Because if you don't know your right to exist, your right to live, if you don't even understand it, and while you're growing up, you still can't understand the basic human right, that is, God never told you to be in misery. Your choice of misery is your choice of misery. Your choice of existence is your choice of existence. No one has a right over it, not even your child.
Understood.
So I just kind of went with the flow. And then by the time I was in my 30s, early 30s, so my mum kind of asked me one day, and that's when I realized कि यार I need to think about it. मतलब I need to really think about this. And I spoke with Sandeep, and Sandeep was very sure that he didn't want. But he also was very loving and said that, you know, in case this is something that you would want, I do not want to be the one to spoil that for you, take it away from you. And yeah, I mean, I want you to live your dream, if that would be your dream, to be a mother. And I would want to nurture it with you as your partner. So there was support and there was understanding from my partner and my family and my friends. But then eventually, today, if you ask me my state of mind...
Wait, I want to ask you that, but let me ask her. Because this will be my next question. Vasuki, why have you decided that you don't want a child?
You know, Shraddha, आज तक मैंने वो decision लिया ही नहीं. मैंने ऐसा कभी डिसाइड नहीं किया कि मुझे बच्चा नहीं चाहिए. इन माई हेड आई वॉज लाइक, जब मुझे बच्चा चाहिए होगा मैं करूँगी. आज तक वैसा लगा ही नहीं.
Point. I totally understand this point.
And the opposite happened for me. Also, like Ash was saying, कि you know, she broke a lot of norms in her life. In a way, मैंने भी किया था. My husband and I don't know if you know this. I think Shraddha may know this. My husband and I have over 20 years between us.
Oh.
Yeah. And he has a son from a previous marriage. So when we got together, we've now been together for about 13 years. We've been married for about 6-7 years. But even in my 20s, मुझे याद है मैं 26 या 25 की थी. I was still in New York. I was working in New York. And I remember coming home for my holidays. And my husband's name is Mickey. And Mickey and I hadn't met until then. So this was even हमारे मिलने से पहले ही था कि 25 पे I remember telling my mother, जब मैं यहाँ हैदराबाद गई थी holidays के लिए, I said I want to go meet her, be a gynaec. She said why? I'm somebody who thinks quite into the future. All my decisions I take very carefully. I'm not impulsive about life decisions. I don't take them lightly. Mama asked me, she said, क्यों? I said, I'm kind of on the fence about this having a child, you know, decision.
At 25?
At 25. And she said, why are you even thinking about it? I said, बस दिमाग में आया, and I thought, you know, I think somebody in New York had put it in my head कि अगर जल्दी बच्चा नहीं करना है तो it's better to freeze your eggs.
Yeah,
you know?
I went through that. I know what you're saying.
And the problem is a lot of people, when they talk about or think about freezing their eggs, they're already well into their 30s.
Yeah.
But then the most ideal thing to do is freeze your eggs when you're, you know,
20s,
younger.
yeah.
Much younger,
Mid-late
much
20s would be the most ideal thing. But उस time पे gynaec पे जाके बोलोगे तुम कि मुझे eggs freeze करने हैं, gynaec is like, क्यों शादी करके बच्चा करो?
Exactly.
But the problem is in India, that's how they used to speak back in the day. And I'm going back about 10-15 years, right? So even then I remember the gynaec saying, but you're very young. I said, yeah, but isn't this the right time for me to take this decision or go through this egg freezing process? Why, you don't think you'll get married? I said, I don't know. What if I don't meet anybody? And I was also not the kind of person ki 25, 26 pe, yeah, even in my early 20s, you know, when people would ask, do you want to get married? I'm like, firstly, that's... So a lot of people know that they want to get married and then they look for somebody.
Yeah.
I didn't think like that. I was like, if I find somebody, I'll get married. I was very open to the idea of never being married also. ये नहीं था कि मुझे शादी करना है और शादी करने के लिए मुझे किसी को ढूंढना पड़ेगा. वो नहीं था मेरे दिमाग में. मेरे दिमाग में ये था कि अगर कोई मिला तो मैं शादी करूंगी, पर अगर कोई नहीं मिला तो नहीं करूंगी.
ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग आज भी ऐसे सोचते हैं और कभी कभी उनको करनी होती है, पर मिलने के इंतजार में ही रह जाते हैं. तो अगर हमको कुछ, मुझे ऐसा लगता है अगर मुझे कुछ काम चाहिए तो मैं काम ढूंढने जाती हूँ. वैसे ही अगर मुझे शादी करनी है तो मैं भी थोड़ा तो ढूंढती हूँ ना, तब जाके कोई सही बंदा. बिना ढूंढे कोई चीज नहीं मिलती है.
I'm not saying ढूंढो मत, लेकिन आप कितने ऐसे लोगों को जानते हो जो शादी करने के लिए करते हैं? How much time कि ढूंढने पे भगवान तो खैर मिलेगा ही नहीं, but मिल जाएगा कोई. But for me, it wasn't about that. For me, I know a lot of people who settle also कि हाँ, this is not what I want, पर मुझे इस टाइम पे शादी करना है तो मैं कर लेती हूँ इससे.
लोगों के
या तो peer pressure होता है, या तो एक societal आपको एक norm fulfill करना होता है उसके लिए.
And also, Ash, these are the people who are not okay with not being married. Yes. So if you're not okay with not being married, then you will, to be married, if you don't get what you want, you'll settle for something that you don't want, just for the sake of being married. There are people like that also.
Yeah, agree.
So for me, marriage was not a given कि मुझे करना ही है. मैं किसी से भी करूँगी लेकिन मैं शादी करूँगी. वो नहीं था मेरे दिमाग में.
Understood. So आप मुझे बताओ, जैसे सोसाइटी में अगर किसी को आपके डिसीजन के बारे में पता चलता है ऐसी बात करते वक्त, तो उनका रिएक्शन कुछ होता है?
मुझे तो बहुत रिएक्शन हुआ, बिकॉज जब मैं when Sandeep and I decided to, again, I'm going to take her because I really, there was no decision as such. It's just that we love staying together. So we ended up staying together and we are staying together. The love continues, touch wood. Set pay, co-actors, friends would always be like, when are you getting married? So when are you getting married? But when will you get married? And then after a couple of years, क्या हो गया? एक party में I remember this very, can't obviously name them, but yeah, this couple who are friends and also actors, they said, यार हमने ना वो ओशो की documentary देखी, Netflix पे आई है ना, तो क्या नाम था उसका? Wild Wild Country.
Wild Wild Country.
वैसा है क्या आप लोगों का? Open है क्या? Because it's been a couple of years since you're not married, and Sandeep and I are very spiritually inclined, and we do keep going for meditation camps, and we do end up, Sandeep really looks up to Osho. So I kind of, that's the mindset. That's the mindset. So you don't need to say anything to that mindset.
पर वो तो शादी के लिए. चलो, पर आपको भी 20 साल हो गए, तो अभी मुझे नहीं लगता लोग शादी के लिए पूछेंगे. And for everyone you are like married only. अगर 20 साल हो गए, वो 1-2 साल वाले होते हैं उनको लोग पूछते हैं. But ये क्या रिएक्शन मिलता है जब उनको पता चलता है कि you do not want children? तो ऐसा कुछ देखा है फैमिली में, फ्रेंड्स में, neighbors? क्या करते हैं?
I am judged a lot of sometimes in a conversation. A certain person will say, but मुझे तो मेरे बच्चे बहुत पसंद है, ये मेरी लाइफ है, मेरे बच्चे मेरी लाइफ है, and that completes me as a human being, as a woman. Completion of a woman is, I think, very important.
So they try to show that you're missing on something. वो ऐसे indirectly दिखाते हैं. ऐसा आपके साथ होता है?
Indirectly नहीं, directly दिखाते हैं.
Directly दिखाते हैं. हाँ, she's right.
People constantly. See, but I don't blame them.
I don't blame them either.
I'll tell you why.
Yeah, 100%.
At the end of the day, अगर कल को हम दोनों बच्चा करेंगे ना, our lives will also revolve around those kids.
Yes.
It is but natural. It is but natural, and no parent will ever wish away their child. Retrospectively सोचना नामुमकिन है. Like it's impossible. एक बार बच्चा हो गया तो कोई ये नहीं बोलेगा shit अगर नहीं करते तो ठीक अच्छा.
ऐसा कभी किसी को नहीं लगता.
लगेगा भी नहीं.
I'll tell you something. The only difference here, Vasuki, is that today, because we are here and we are talking and we are on a podcast and we've been asked to express our views. So we're talking about this. But for me personally, I will never advocate a live-in relationship just because I'm in a live-in relationship.
Yeah.
I think I'm that kind of a person ki if I were married, I would never advocate ki you should get married. If I was someone who was a mother by now, I wouldn't have said being a mother will complete you as a human being. So I have never advocated that don't be a mother also.
You're just living your life.
I'm just living my life.
ऐसे बहुत कहा जाता है that motherhood gives you the absolute fulfillment.
I'm
और
sure
शायद जो लोग करते हैं उनको वो feeling आती है.
I'm sure.
हमने तो वो feeling ही नहीं देखी है.
I know. I'm sure.
So do you think that you're missing on that aspect, Vasuki, that having a child, that having that feeling, being that selfless and getting so much love from the child, those feelings are you missing on?
So my thought on this is, if you become a mother, like I said earlier, I'm yet to meet any parent that says, I wish I didn't have children.
Yes.
At the same time, I don't think all of them feel that way. They may not say it, because it will be a bad parent for any parent to say, I wish I didn't have my child. But aisa to nahi hai. We all know a lot of people that we don't like. There are assholes and pricks in the world.
So लोगों को अपने बच्चों के लिए भी लगता है,
one sec,
I wish.
every asshole and a prick has a mother and a father, no? You don't think they know? I asked a few of my friends also this. ठीक है, if you have a child, you will love that child, no matter what. Forget child. We know a lot of people that have siblings, that have this, that have that. Loving somebody and liking somebody are two entirely different things. I have people in my family that I will drop everything for if they need me. Let me give you a small example. If I had to spend 3 days with them on a holiday, I'd be like, shit, nahi yaar. You know? What if you don't like the people that you love?
But लोगों को, अरे criminals को भी उनकी मम्मियाँ तो प्यारी करती हैं.
That's what I'm saying. Lekin, are you saying that a lot of mothers will be, you know, and this whole concept, ये जो concept है ना, unconditional love, I don't buy into that. I'm yet to meet a parent who does not have any expectations from their child. ऐसे मुझे एक parent दिखा दो कि उनके child से उनको एक भी expectation नहीं है. अगर एक भी expectation नहीं है तो फिर वो unconditional. If you have even this much of an expectation from your child, please explain to me how that's unconditional.
That's true. Very well said.
I asked my mother this. I said, is your love unconditional? TK, I'm not a mother. People will say, you're not a mother, you can't understand, you keep quiet. But I've been a daughter. If I can experience receiving unconditional love, I'll believe it. But I don't experience it. So I asked my mother this. I said, unconditional? She said, no, darling. My love is very conditional on the fact that you be a decent human being. At the very least.
Yeah. So decent human being is, you know, it's a very, you need to be a decent human being.
No, but there's so many people that forgive their children for a lot more. You know, and I don't blame them because that person is your child. I read somewhere a very long time ago, there, you know, and it's a beautiful quote. I don't know if I'll say it right now, but let me get this. It says that there is no action unthinkable or no thought inconceivable when it comes to your children. The problem is it removes the objectivity from your life. When it comes to the people you love, you're no more an objective person. I don't want to become that person.
But that's what
लोग मुझे पूछते हैं, you don't like children. I love children. It's the parents I can't stand. I don't want to become a parent.
Whoa. You know, आप लोगों को क्या ऐसा लगता है कि हम लोग ना बहुत ज़्यादा सोचते हैं, इतना सोचते हैं ज़्यादातर लोग सोचते ही नहीं, शादी करनी है करते हैं, बच्चे वो थॉट ही नहीं आता कि बच्चे नहीं करने.
Yeah, that was back. Yeah, even today, lots of people.
Right. तो कभी-कभी वो एक्स्ट्रा सोचने में हम maybe.
वही मैं कह रही थी ना, आपका नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये होने वाला था कि what do you think today about it, right? ये तो पहले की बात बता रही थी कि मैंने क्यों बच्चे नहीं किए.
तो आज मुझे सपोज आपने नहीं किए, तो आपको कोई भी रिग्रेट है इस चीज का?
मुझे रिग्रेट इसलिए नहीं है क्योंकि आज आके इस प्रेजेंट मोमेंट में मैं यहाँ पे इस दुनिया में ये देख रही हूँ कि ना खाने के लिए अच्छा खाना है, ना पीने के लिए अच्छा पानी है, ना वैसा वातावरण है यार मेरे इर्द गिर्द कि मैं अपने बच्चे को, अगर मेरा जिगर का टुकड़ा हो, उसको मैं भेजूं स्कूल, तो ऐसा एटमॉस्फेयर ही नहीं है, ऐसा एनवायरनमेंट ही नहीं है जहाँ पे मैं एक केयरफ्री मदर के जैसे घर पे बैठूं कि चलो वो साइकिल लेके शाम को कहीं बाहर घूमेगा, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ रहेगा. आई जस्ट डोंट फील द एनवायरनमेंट इज सेफ इनफ. सो टुडे इफ यू आस्क मी, डू यू वांट टू हैव अ चाइल्ड? My answer today is not going to be on the basis of that today also I'm lost, I'm still trying to find myself, I'm still, you know, taking it easy. I've found myself now somewhere. I'm still learning. I would say that because no, learning will never stop. But at least I know there is a slight change. There's a little bit of awakening. The path is a little more defined in terms of knowing. I don't believe anymore. I don't believe there is God.
So now you understood yourself, but
I know now. I know now. There is knowing. There's a huge difference. Now there is no faith in any walk of life. There's a definite knowing. I know this, I know this, and I know this. And I know today that this is why I also don't feel safe to bring a child in this world, because I don't know what I'm going to give that child in this world. I don't know, is there a world livable enough for this child? And I'm going to bring another piece of my heart, put it out there. Now you go through what I'm going through. I'm going through what? I'm going through a temperature of, I was in Delhi recently and the temperature was around 51, 52. I couldn't breathe. I went to the gym and I'm someone who doesn't like to work out in an AC atmosphere when I'm in the gym. I could have had a heat stroke.
I had a heat stroke.
And this is the world I want to bring another life into. I don't mind digging in deeper. Like आपने कहा कि लोग सोच बहुत रहे, सोचो. मुझ जैसे लोग तो सोचो जो पहले से जिन्होंने बच्चा नहीं किया और अभी अगर उनका वो टाइम आया और वो कर रहे हैं कि करना चाहिए कि नहीं करना चाहिए, तो थोड़ा सोच लो. क्योंकि हम जैसे ऐसे बहुत, मतलब हम ह्यूमन बीइंग एज अ रेस ना, एक कलेक्टिव हमारा जो कॉन्शियसनेस है ना, वो इतना डाउन रिडन है कि मतलब सब स्लीप वॉक कर रहे हैं यार, सब अंधेपन में चले जा रहे हैं. जो पहले से चीज़ें चली जा रही हैं उसी में एक दूसरे को धक्का मार के अंधेरे में हम चले ही जा रहे हैं. किसी को पूछना नहीं है, किसी को आंखें खोल के देखना नहीं है क्या हो रहा है. जो होता आ रहा है, जैसे होता आ रहा है, वही धक्यानुसी चीज़ों में एक दूसरे को भिड़ते हुए हम एक 8 बिलियन पॉपुलेशन के नंबर पे हैं और वैसे ही चला जा रहा है सिस्टम. आज की डेट में तो आप बहुत एक बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट में, अपनी बेस्ट फ्रेंड से कल रात को बात करी थी, एंड सबको ट्रैवल करना है ना, क्योंकि सबको अपना इंस्टाग्राम डेस्टिनेशन तो दिखाना है कि हम कहाँ कहाँ गए, हम आज कहाँ कहाँ रहे, कौन से होटल में हैं. वो तो आज का है ना, वो तो वो वाइब है ना. आपको खुद के लिए तो घूमना नहीं है, खुद को तो सोल सर्चिंग करनी नहीं है, बट आपको दिखाना तो है ना आप कहाँ पे रह के आए हो. चलो, तो उसके लिए एयरक्राफ्ट में बैठना तो पड़ेगा. तो बेसिक क्या है आज के डेट में, सब जगह टर्बुलेंस हो रहा है. आज के डेट में आपके इतने मिसहैप्स हो रहे हैं बिकॉज द वर्ल्ड इज, द क्लाइमेट ओवर देयर इज सो बैड. एवरी प्लेन, देयर आर अबाउट 40, आई हैव स्टडीड दिस, देयर आर अबाउट 40,000 प्लेन्स इन अ गिवन डे in the air. 40,000 planes in flight, okay? Forget taking off और जो take off करने वाले, 40,000 in a given day. They are all in major turbulence because the climate over there is only so screwed now. तो नीचे का तो छोड़ ही दो. तो आपका जो बेसिक लग्जरी है कि आप ट्रैवल करना चाहते हो, तो मैं अगर अपने जिगर के टुकड़े को 10 साल बाद, 15 साल बाद प्लेन में भेजूंगी, तो मैं उसमें भी डर के बैठी रहूंगी कि उसका क्या होगा वहां पे. तो स्कूल तो छोड़ ही दो. यहाँ तक बात आ चुकी है. तो क्या मैं एक और जीवन इस दुनिया में लेके आना चाहती हूँ जहाँ पे सब कुछ ही इतना फ्रिवलेस है, लाइफ इज सो, डेथ इज बिकम सो नॉर्मल.
लेकिन क्या अश्लेषा, आपको नहीं लगता बड़े हार्श हो रहे हो? लाइक दुनिया है एक्चुअली बहुत गर्मी है और लोगों को लगेगा अरे ये लोग क्या है, मतलब जो एसी में रहते हैं ये तो करते हैं, बट लाइफ में हम सिर्फ एसी में रहने के लिए पैदा नहीं हुए हैं. एंड समटाइम्स इट गेट्स रियली टफ, बट देन अच्छी चीजें भी तो हो रही हैं.
क्या अच्छी चीजें हो रही हैं? आप मुझे बताओ. मेरी बेसिक चीजें जो मैं अपने बच्चे को देना चाहूंगी वही सॉर्टेड नहीं है. मैं उसको कितना प्यार दे दूंगी? क्या मेरे प्यार से वो सांस ले पाएगा? क्योंकि मैंने जहाँ तक देखा है स्टेटिस्टिकली, मेडिकल स्टडी में, मेरे जितने फ्रेंड्स हैं दिल्ली में, उनके जो बच्चे हुए हैं, दे ऑल हैव सम लंग प्रॉब्लम बिकॉज वहाँ का पोल्यूशन ऐसा है.
That is true. I think, I don't know the exact number क्या है, पर दिल्ली में a lot of the kids, I think maybe 1 in 10 or 1 in 15 kids has, she's also right. I live in Delhi, right? मेरे बहुत सारे ऐसे दोस्त हैं जिन्होंने डिसाइड किया है कि उनको बच्चा नहीं चाहिए क्योंकि वो दिल्ली में रहते हैं. You know what she's talking about, it's actually one of my big reasons to think about whether I want children or not. What is the kind of world that my child will inhabit when he or she is 30 years old? I strongly believe that water will not be such a natural resource anymore. You know, there has been talk about wars happening for water for a while now, and I truly believe that that will happen. Of course, by then, I don't know, Elon Musk शायद एक दूसरे planet में, you know, he might settle people there, and तो इतने सारे बच्चे कर रहा है, वो से शायद अपनी family को ही भेज दे वहाँ पर. But the point is, sure, we've shot Earth to shit. Now we're going to look for another planet.
Yeah.
You know, to run it to the ground also. And you know, Shraddha, the human race as such, I love the human beings in my life. If you ask me, it's a really weird thought, and I don't even know if I should be saying this in public. I love the people in my life, my family, my friends, everyone. But the human race as a whole disgusts me a little bit.
It does.
The way we live on the planet.
Yeah.
Our complete disregard for other species. We as a race are responsible for the extinction of millions of species by the day. And that is a very, very grim metric to mark the passage of time. It's just, and we will continue to do so. And the problem is, ठीक है, हम आप और you know Ash and people in this room सोच लेंगे कि नहीं हम you know we'll be careful. But the thing is, हमारी कंडीशनिंग ऐसी हुई है, यू नो, लाइक कंडीशनिंग. अगर आपको से फॉर एग्जांपल आई वाज रेज्ड नॉन वेजिटेरियन, ओके, इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट इन माय एडल्ट लाइफ मुझे डिसाइड करना कि मैं वेजिटेरियन बनूंगी. टुडे आई एम वेजिटेरियन, बट इट वाजंट एन इजी डिसीजन. क्यों? Because I was conditioned a certain way. Even if my awareness tells me कि ये गलत है जो मैं कर रही हूँ, लेकिन मैं अगर वो 3 साल से मतलब since I was 3 years old, if I've been doing it, even if you know it's not right, it's difficult for you to kick that habit. जैसे the way we are conditioned to grow up, the way we are conditioned to live on this planet, it becomes very difficult for us, even if we become logical thinking adults. बिकॉज कंडीशनिंग गिव अप करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. विल पावर होनी चाहिए उसके लिए. एंड यू कांट ब्लेम द पर्सन. You know, we're conditioned to live like this. We're conditioned to, you know, not have regard for other, you know, species on this planet. The way we use plastic. Our lives have become. Today, if I don't have, by chance, if I don't have a bottle of water in my car, I will buy a bottle of water. Now, do I know as a thinking person I should not, you know, it's plastic, this? I know.
Right.
But it has made our lives easier. So now, what coming back to her, I'm living that life and I keep thinking to myself about people who have kids. In a way, if I had a child, I'd just generally I'd be in a constant state of stress and worry.
Yeah. And the mothers are around me.
Some of them are not. Most people don't think about this. They're like, हाँ ठीक है, you know, human beings are very resilient, you know. I don't think
बच्चे पल जाते हैं.
बच्चे पल जाते हैं.
हाँ, बच्चे पल जाते हैं.
वो पल जाते हैं और वो इतना सोचते नहीं हैं.
I beg to differ. The lot that I know of, बच्चे नहीं पल रहे हैं. मेरे जो फ्रेंड्स हैं वो अलग अलग एज ग्रुप्स के हैं. सो सम ऑफ देम आर मे बी अबव 50, सम ऑफ देम आर बिलो 50, सम ऑफ देम आर माय एज इन लेट 30s. तो जिनके बच्चे हैं ना, वो कॉन्स्टेंटली ये कह रहे हैं कि पहले ना हम लोग कैसे थे कि हम लोग अपने पेरेंट्स से डरते थे. आज के डेट में हम अपने बच्चों से डरते हैं. तो हम वो जनरेशन है जो डर के ही जी रहे हैं. क्योंकि पहले आप अपने पेरेंट्स की सुनते थे, उनसे डरते थे. अब क्या है, आपके बच्चे इतने ज़्यादा आपको डरा के रख रहे हैं, चाहे वो टॉडलर्स हो, चाहे वो टीन्स हो, चाहे वो टीन्स के ऊपर हो. आप डरे हुए जी रहे हो, आप डर में जी रहे हो. क्योंकि आपका जो बच्चा है, आपका जो वो जिगर का टुकड़ा है जो अब इस दुनिया में है, उसको तो सब कुछ चाहिए ना. अब वो सब कुछ देने के लिए आपको सब कुछ लुटाना है उसके ऊपर. और आज के डेट में आई थिंक पीस इज ऑफ सच utmost importance because the vibe of the world after COVID has become so difficult. There are people who are anxious, there is depression all over the world, and it's a very known fact that today that depression की जो bracket है उसमें there are kids who are aged from say 7 years old to maybe 20-25. That's a living truth, by the way. So you not only have a generation of people who are maybe above their 30s who are depressed, you also have the younger lot in that same bracket. And that's a very scary
thing. Kids go through these difficulties. Now tell me.
No, I want to ask you, आपको पता था आपके एज में क्या होता है डिप्रेशन? Did you know? एक थप्पड़ पड़ा माँ से और आप ठीक हो गए यार.
पर मुझे पता नहीं ना सच्ची में मैं होंगी भी डिप्रेस, पर तब तो
नो. बट दैट्स आल्सो गाइस, दैट्स आल्सो पॉसिबली बिकॉज़ उस टाइम पे
अवेयरनेस ही नहीं था. आज
शायद हम थे डिप्रेस्ड, शायद हम
सपोर्ट
हम थे या कोई और होता
आपके पास नहीं तब अवेयरनेस नहीं था. नहीं तब आपके पास लग्जरी नहीं थी ये बोलने की कि आप डिप्रेस्ड हो.
पर अच्छी बात है ना कि आज है वो लग्जरी,
क्योंकि आपको एक थप्पड़ पड़ा आप ठीक हो गए. आज की डेट में आप उसी बच्चे को मार के देखो,
पर पता नहीं ठीक हुए कि नहीं हुए और खराब हुए ना.
इसलिए आई थिंक काफी ठीक हो गए यार कंपेयर टू.
अवेयरनेस बढ़ गई. अब पता ये हमेशा नहीं कहते कि आपके लाइफ में कोई पर्पस होना चाहिए. तो स्पेशली एक कपल होता है, सो वो जब एक बच्चा हमेशा एक पर्पस देता है या उसके बदले लोग पेट्स लेते हैं, सो दैट पर्पस इज मिसिंग. फिर आपको नहीं लगता कहीं ना कहीं दिस इज वी बीइंग सेल्फिश? हम सिर्फ अपने बारे में सोच रहे हैं. एंड इट्स नॉट अबाउट अपने बारे में. चलो, इट्स आवर राइट टू बी सेल्फिश, टू बी सेल्फ सेंटर्ड, बट एज अ कपल टू हैव अ पर्पस टुगेदर. Do you think it's important for a relationship with your partners?
So I do believe कि बहुत सारी ऐसी more women than men, I think, have a child and that child becomes their purpose in life.
Yes.
बहुत सारी ऐसी ladies होती हैं. It's not necessary कि सिर्फ बच्चा आपका purpose हो. I have a lot of purpose in my life. I love my work. My work is my purpose. My relationship, my husband is my purpose. My life with him is purposeful enough, you know. So I've never felt कि मेरे, and probably all our parents felt like that also. A lot of women who maybe don't work also, अब आपने शादी कर लिया, you don't wake up in the morning to do anything. And no judgment. It's completely up to you. I have a girlfriend, a very good girlfriend of mine, who once told me that not doing anything gives me happiness.
Yeah.
And that's lucky. I actually consider her very lucky. The fact that her happiness comes from that. And I keep telling her, I was like, I wish my happiness also came from that. So you can't decide what gives somebody happiness. And you have to respect if they can derive it from doing nothing. That is completely their prerogative. So बहुत सारी ऐसी ladies होती हैं जो, but some of them are like, actually मुझे purpose चाहिए. So if you're not working, for example,
yes.
at all, you need something to wake up to in the morning. Na? Everybody needs that in life.
Yeah.
You know, especially at a young age. And they have a child and that child becomes their purpose. But personally, मेरे life में बहुत time से, since I was a young, even in college, whatever, I've always had purpose. So that was never the
so child और वो relationship में भी ऐसे कभी नहीं लगा कि हमारे एक बच्चा होगा तो और मजा आएगा.
श्रद्धा मेरे लिए ना opposite हुआ था. So when I got married, actually for the first couple of years, बहुत pressure था only from my mother.
To have a child?
Yeah, nobody else. Luckily in my life, I don't think people expect me to be conventional to begin with.
Yeah, though.
Yeah. So, when people say you've been rebellious, and I keep saying कि मुझे ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ी कभी, because people don't even expect it from me. So I've never had the need to be rebellious, even with my parents. Even my mom said that. My mom also was telling somebody कि in her 20s only I realized कि she's not going to follow the beaten path.
We've also realized when I've known you, yes.
Since you've known me. And
yes.
I was at least 10-12 years younger. So मेरे से कोई किसी ने expect ही नहीं किया कि मैं normal चीजें करूँगी life में.
But क्योंकि we were, of a certain type, इसलिए was it easier to take this decision. आप आपके जब friends से मिलते हो, जिनके बच्चे हैं, क्या लगता है उनको देख के, या वो लोग क्या feel करते हैं?
जैसे for example, luckily for me also, touchwood, I have a partner in my life. हमारे काफ़ी similar ways of thought process है, the way we want to, how we see life. For me, the purpose in life, and for him, the purpose in life has always been to be happy. And not happy in the sense कि got the best car, got the best job, got the best house to stay in. The sense of unlimited joy. That you wake up in the morning with joy. That has always been, and मैं तो उसकी चमची हूँ. I've learned a lot from this man. And I'd always, see that this person is waking up with a deep sense of contentment. Like he's fulfilled, and there's this joy, and and around him I became this person who was always clapping hands, childlike. Like I'm always always, and I'm not baby, I'm a overgrown child. No, sometimes I do that, but otherwise it's this deep sense of joy that you're very happy, you're very content.
किसी की जरूरत ही नहीं है, अच्छा चल रहा है.
नहीं, because क्या है ना कि किसी चीज़ पे अगर आपका हैप्पीनेस या जॉय डिपेंडेंट हो ना, तो अगर वो चीज़ ना रहे या आ जाए या कभी ना मिले, तो फिर वो कैसा जॉय है जब तक वो अंदर से नहीं है. So we kind of, through his blessing and through he wanted to learn how to achieve that. Like he wanted to know कि ये जो स्पिरिचुअल लीडर है, या ये जो इसको एनलाइटेंड आदमी कहते हैं, इसका नाम ओशो है, या इसका नाम मोजी है, या इसका नाम, या कोई भी आपके आज के डेट के, लाइक टुडे ही इज फॉलोइंग रूपर्ट स्पायरा एंड फ्रांसिस लूसील एंड देयर इज एकहार्ट टोल. इनके ना आँखों में कुछ है भाई, इनका कुछ तो है, अलग है, कुछ है. ये कहाँ से इनका आ रहा है, ये खुशी कहाँ से आ रही है? इट्स नॉट डिपेंडेंट ऑन एनीथिंग, इट्स नॉट डिपेंडेंट ऑन एनीथिंग आउटसाइड. It's all inside. But how is it coming? How are we achieving that? It is devoid of anything outside you. तो कुछ तो divinity है, कुछ तो divine यहाँ पे blessing मिली हुई है. What the hell is that? He started going after that. And मैं, because I was smitten and totally in love with this, I'm like a lovesick puppy when I'm around him. तो मैं भी घूमती रही. But my point and my learning came much later. Like he started in 2010. But I started understanding all these things, and my blessing came in 2013 and 12 or 13. And I found my own path, and he found his own path. And then again our paths merged. And then that sense of joy kind of continued. And that sense of wanting to be divine all the time, be in bliss. Like just eternal bliss. And it is not dependent on anything, not a human being, not the society, not on the parents, not on child, not on a concept, not on a travel, not on a picture. it was never outside. So once we found that now I can say I have the knowing. Now you tell me, you want to do a lead role? Yes, I want to do a lead role. You want to go travel there? Yes, I want to go travel there. Do you want to have a child? I have the eyes for it, but I know I don't want it. I can say all these things because now I know. Now I have the eyes, I have the senses, everything is awakened. So till that awakening doesn't happen to you, I just feel it's just like you're following a blind path.
Because सब कर रहे हैं तो हमें करना है and all. And luckily even for your partners, you know, आपके, yeah, I know about Sandeep. Even Mickey, he was okay not having a child.
So one thing, शादी से पहले ही श्रद्धा मैंने एक चीज़ बहुत clearly समझा दिया था. I said, because I was never sure, like I said, you know, today, maybe 4 years later, for example, आज तक तो ये जो biological clock होती है, I've never experienced it, कि मुझे बच्चा चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए. But I do believe hormones भी कुछ चीज़ होती है. You know, lots of people, sometimes आप explain भी नहीं कर पाओगे. I have some friends who can't explain this need to have a child. And obviously, it's, you know, your hormones play a role in it. So what if I feel like that 4 years from now? Will I be able to think logically when my hormones are acting up? You know, when your physical body is acting up, a lot of times it's very difficult for us to think logically also. For example, you know, for the last 1 week, I've been having an ache because I got a tooth extracted or whatever. I didn't go to the gym. Kyun? Just my mind is not there. I can actually work out even if I've, you know, have a little bit of pain in my mouth. But when your body is aching even in a small spot, your mind is not active. So what if I feel like that 4 years from now? So when I got married, I told him, I said, this decision to have a child or not, I'd like it to be mine. Are you okay with that? And luckily, it just so happened that he has a son from before. So I guess he was in a position to leave that to me. What if I had met somebody who never had kids?
Yes.
Maybe he would not have, and I would have crossed that bridge at that time. But he left it to me. But then again also, शायद अगर मेरी किसी और से शादी हुई होती, maybe I would have had a child.
है ना?
Yeah, but one of the reasons I didn't is because it's odd. You know, बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो कहते हैं कि I met somebody, I fell in love, और क्योंकि मैं उससे इतना प्यार करती हूँ, मुझे बच्चा करने का मन. मेरा उल्टा हो गया.
मतलब वो बंदे की वजह से, because I want to have a child with
him.
Yes.
Yeah.
बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे होते हैं कि मुझे करना नहीं था,
but
मुझे प्यार हो गया.
I do know of some people.
मेरा उल्टा हो गया. I met Mickey and I was like, boss, जिंदगी में इससे ज़्यादा मुझे और कुछ नहीं चाहिए.
Yeah.
So for me, the opposite happened. He has kind of filled my life. जगह ही नहीं बची.
स्पेस ही नहीं है.
स्पेस ही नहीं है. My heart and my life is full. So when people, you know, बच्चे क्यों करते हैं लोग? Basically, the larger umbrella 2 reasons होती है. Every reason you can put into these 2 umbrella reasons. एक होती है desire, you know, एक चाह, एक, you know, want. Either you want to have a child, or एक होती है ज़रूरत. बहुत सारे लोग ज़रूरत के वजह से भी बच्चा करते हैं.
ज़रूरत मतलब?
Pressure हो गया कि उनको करना नहीं है, लेकिन pressure. I know a lot of people that have a child to keep their spouse in the relationship.
Yeah.
Like I said, एक होती है desire, एक होती है ज़रूरत. Every reason, जो भी आपका reason हो बच्चा करने के लिए, you can club that reason into this bucket or into this bucket. So after getting married, or maybe because lots of people will obviously say कि, you know, she's crazy. I've never been married. I have zero baggage when I met Mickey. But yet, I married somebody who's 20 odd years older than I am. I mean, everyone thought I was completely crazy. But clearly, maybe I made the right decision because it's been 13 years today and I have no space in my life for another human being. I've never had the desire nor the need. He actually removed both. And I actually told him, I said, if we don't have kids, it's your fault. You know, it's completely your fault because you've kind of filled my life. And that kind of went away.
Wow.
But if I'd married somebody else, maybe I would have, वो ज़रूरत शायद होती मुझे.
To fill that void.
To fill that, कि कुछ तो missing है. मेरे लाइफ में अभी कुछ मिसिंग है ही नहीं, तो मैं करने के लिए क्यों करूं? और ये क्यों करूं? क्योंकि सब लोग कर रहे हैं और वो मुझे कह रहे हैं कि you don't know what you're missing on.
Yeah, so मैं यही कहने वाली थी, हम कैसे बोल सकते हैं कि missing, क्योंकि हमने वो चीज देखी ही नहीं है, महसूस ही नहीं की है.
Like for example, I'm a teetotaler. I've never had alcohol in my life. Okay, I've never been drunk. So many people tell me you don't know the fun you're missing.
Yeah.
But the point is, what you don't know, you can't miss. You can't miss something you don't know.
Right.
So when they say ignorance is bliss, ठीक है, तुम अपने में खुश रहो यार. And the other thing is, when I talk to parents, I don't know if Ash you've experienced this. I have friends of all age groups. My oldest friend is 76 years old, and I have friends who've just had kids also. And it's notice how parents also talk to you, huh? Parents who've just had children talk differently. Parents of teenagers talk differently. Parents of adults talk differently about their experience. I've had parents who've just become parents say, oh my God, it's the best feeling in the world, my kid is my life, because they're completely overwhelmed. कि अभी अभी बच्चा किया है, कुछ नया है, तो उनको मतलब सारी emotions उभर के आ रही हैं. And I have parents of adults who'll be like, best decision.
Whoa, really?
Yeah.
It's not like कि तुम अगर बच्चा नहीं कर रही हो तो कि
You're missing out something.
कुछ खास मतलब इतना कि कुछ हो रहा है. They're like, it's completely fine. Your life will be as great as mine was.
मुझे
So
पता
you
है,
have to-
तुमने देखा है कि जो स्पेशली मेन जो लोग जब सिंगल होते हैं ना तो थोड़े शेर जैसे होते हैं, और जैसे बच्चा आ जाता है ना वो थोड़े से टोन डाउन हो जाते हैं, और ऐसा लगता है इनका वो जज्बा कहाँ गया लाइफ का. ऐसे एक्सपीरियंस किया है क्या कभी?
Responsibilities.
रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ने. हाँ.
Responsibilities age you. Stress of bringing up a
Up a
child
child.
ages you.
Right.
The stress of bringing up a child is very real. Huh?
Is very
या ट्रू. क्या आपको ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ लोग जो इजीली चीज़ें अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं, वो पढ़े लिखे हैं, समझदार हैं, थोड़े इवॉल्व्ड हैं, वो लोग चूज़ कर रहे हैं कि हमें फैमिली नहीं चाहिए, ठीक है? और कुछ लोग जिनकी थोड़ी लाइफ में फाइट है पैसों की, बेसिक कंफर्ट्स की, लेकिन वो लोग अपनी फैमिली ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एक्सपैंड कर रहे हैं, तो सोसाइटी में थोड़ी दिक्कत हो जाएगी. बिकॉज सही जो नए बच्चे होंगे उनको मे बी सही वैल्यूज़ या राइट एजुकेशन वो सब नहीं मिलेगा. क्या इसके बारे में सोचा है?
यार आज की दुनिया में क्या सही है यार या क्या गलत है?
Everything goes.
Everything goes, yeah. You just can't pinpoint and say this is right and this is wrong. I think, and anyways, I think each child comes with his or her own destiny.
On DNA also.
You know, तो वो तो पल ही जाता है. अभी हम सोचते हैं कि हम कुछ कर रहे हैं या हम कुछ करेंगे उसके लिए, वो हो ही जाता है. It happens on its own, you know. Having said that, I think it's good अगर कुछ लोग सोच रहे हैं कि नहीं करने चाहिए बच्चे. 8 billion population है दुनिया का. How are you going to sustain this planet? सबके लिए नहीं बचने वाली है जगह रहने के लिए, and we are just producing babies after every second. I think it's good अगर कोई सोच रहा है तो अच्छी बात है, कोई कुछ सोच रहा है. उससे मुझे लगता नहीं है कि जो बच्चे आएंगे इस दुनिया में उनका कुछ सोशल अपब्रिंगिंग खराब हो जाएगा. आई डोंट थिंक दैट विल हैपन. I think it's a very good thing if there are people thinking that they don't want to have a child. It's a very good thing.
और मैं ये नहीं मानती हूँ कि people who are more evolved, people who are wealthier, people who are more educated have the right values only. I don't believe that. I've seen a lot of evolved, very progressive, very wealthy, socially very well-to-do families also not have the right values. बट मैंने ये भी सुना है, लोग मुझे कहते हुए कि हमारे जैसे लोगों को बच्चे करने चाहिए.
मैंने भी सुना है.
हाँ, और ये गलत है. क्यों भाई?
हमारे जैसे मतलब?
हमारे जैसे मतलब
जो
people
afford कर सकते हैं.
Not just afford, Shraddha. They say that in fact when I talk like this, lots of people say, see, you're such a thinking person. In fact, people like you, imagine the kind of child you would raise.
Oh, yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
people who are not so thinking should not raise.
Yes.
But we can't judge their lives. Kal ko I have staff in my house. See, their lives are very different. They need people to look after them when they grow old. Today, maybe we don't need that. We are, maybe financially, capable enough. We'll have nurses to look after us or check ourselves by the time we get old. Hopefully, check yourself into an old age home or whatever. Or you'll be taken care of even if you don't have children. But that reason, ये जो reason है ना कि जब हम बूढ़े हो जाएंगे, हमारा देखभाल कौन करेगा?
हाँ, that was my question.
As thinking, educated people, that should not be our reason. But I can't blame my housekeeper to have that, that she has that reason. For her life, that reason is valid.
कि हम बूढ़े हो जाएंगे तो आप हमारी
They need
देखभाल
people to
करोगे.
take care of them. We actually probably
तो वो
don't.
भी तो अपने बच्चों को इंश्योरेंस की तरह यूज कर रहे हैं.
They do, but how? Hello. Firstly, when you ask people who are having kids कि तुम्हारा एग्जैक्ट रीजन क्या है, सबसे पहले तो बहुत कम लोग सोचते हैं कि हमको बच्चे क्यों चाहिए.
एग्जैक्टली, वो तो नॉर्म ही करना ही है
वो
ना.
करना है, शादी कर लिया, अब नेक्स्ट स्टेप हो गया कि बच्चा करना है. किसने बोला कि कौन सा रीजन सही है और कौन सा रीजन गलत है? हम कौन होते हैं ये बोलने वाले? अगर मेरी हाउसकीपर आके मुझे बोलेगी कि नहीं जब हम बूढ़े हो जाएंगे हमारा देखभाल कौन करेगा, मैं कौन होती हूँ बोलने वाली कि वो रीजन गलत है? उसके लिए, उसके लाइफ के लिए वो रीजन सही है. एवरीबडी हैज चिल्ड्रन फॉर वेरी डिफरेंट रीजंस. हर किसी का रीजन अलग होता है. अब मैं सोच सकती हूँ कि उसका रीजन गलत है, शायद उनके लाइफ के लिए वो रीजन सही
होगा. हाँ.
पर तुम्हें नहीं लगता बूढ़े होने के बाद, ठीक है पैसे होंगे लेकिन जो बाकी लोग, जैसे आपके कुछ अगर फ्रेंड्स हैं जिनके बच्चे हैं, तो मुझे ये बूढ़े हो जाएंगे तो कोई तो होगा जो एक्सेप्ट पैसा, जो सपोर्ट सिस्टम की जब जरूरत पड़े तो, और हमारे पास नहीं होगा, ऐसा लगता है कभी?
How many kids, how many families do you know where the parents live here and a call goes to the son or daughters living in the States or London or wherever, your parent is sick now, they come, perform the rites and go? How many? My father, both his parents lived in the village. I'm from Hyderabad. His parents lived in the village and my grandmother passed first. And even after my grandmother passed, my grandfather refused to move in with us. It's not like my father went and relocated to the village to take care of his father. One day he also got a call कि गुजर गए. The whole family went to the village. He lived alone, but he had like lots of stuff. So even forget living in a different country. We're talking about living, 10 hours away by road in a village in Andhra. So who's to say? You're lucky if your kids live in the same city as you. But not every family is like that. Today, for example, both my parents live in Hyderabad. I live between Bombay and Delhi. My brother lives in New York. I don't know where we're going to live. When my parents get old, will I go back to... I don't know. Will my parents move to Delhi? No.
इसलिए आजकल के जो बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं ना, उनका एक फ्रेंड सर्कल होता है, फिर वो सोचते हैं कि हाँ जब हम ओल्ड हो जाएंगे तब हम काइंड ऑफ विल बी सपोर्ट टू ईच अदर.
करेक्ट.
एंड
I'll probably be there.
Yeah, it'll be happy space. ऐसे लोग सोचते हैं आजकल, क्योंकि बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जिन्होंने डिसाइड किया है they don't want to
friends have started to move in together in their old age. Yeah, they take a home and friends start
and that should be that's amazing. That should be glorified.
In fact, the biggest reason, and recently I read somewhere, for longevity, life, of course there's a lot of research that's happening. There's a lot of milestones that scientists reaching in terms of longevity and expand your lifespan. The biggest reason is your social relationship.
Yeah. I completely agree.
Yeah.
It doesn't say family.
Yeah, it doesn't say family.
The biggest
like right relationships.
The right social relationships.
Gives you happiness. True. कभी legacy के बारे में सोचा है? क्या ख्याल?
क्या legacy?
क्या ही legacy ये?
नहीं, आई जस्ट फील यार, ये जो मैंने देखा है यार, नॉर्थ इंडिया में तो बहुत अफ्लुएंट बहुत ज़्यादा लोग होते हैं जो बहुत प्रॉपर्टीज़ बनाते हैं. कुछ तो मैंने संदीप के मुंह से भी सुना है, कुछ ऐसे हैं फैमिलीज जो मतलब इतनी प्रॉपर्टीज़ बनाई, बस अभी झगड़ा ही चल रहा है प्रॉपर्टीज़ का, कोर्ट में ही पड़े हुए वो लोग. तो वो जो लेगेसी आपने अपने बच्चों के लिए बना के रखी है वो एट द एंड ऑफ द डे कोर्ट केस कचहरी में ही चल रही है. मतलब आई डोंट नो कौन सी लेगेसी की बात कर रहे हैं, क्या लेगेसी छोड़ के जाएंगे ऐसी? आपका वो जिगर का टुकड़ा उसको आगे लेके जाएगा या कोर्ट लेके जाएगा, उसका भी कोई गारंटी है नहीं. सो आई डोंट नो व्हाट लेगेसी पीपल आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, बट आई
एम अ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ वन ऑफ दोस व्हाट शी इज टॉकिंग अबाउट.
ये सब हो रहा है घर पे.
आई एम सॉरी दो.
So there's nothing like legacy.
So see, legacy could be two things, right? Either you leave a legacy personally for your kid to take on, कि इतना सारा जायदाद है या इतना सारा पैसा है कि तुम अपने बच्चों के लिए छोड़ रहे हो, और एक दूसरी लेगेसी होती है, how will the world remember you? What are you doing in life for the world to remember you? Have you created anything? Have you created a business? Have you solved a problem for the world? Let me ask you a question. जितने भी लोग हैं जिन्होंने अपना नाम बनाया है, आप उनको कैसे याद करते हो? कि उन्होंने लाइफ में क्या किया, कि या फिर उन्होंने कौन से बच्चे पैदा किए हैं? How many famous people's kids do you know?
अग्री पर वो कभी-कभी क्या होता है, चलो वो लोगों को ऐसा लगता है हमारी फैमिली एटलीस्ट रहेगी, हमारा सरनेम रहेगा, यहाँ पे रुक नहीं जाएगा.
नहीं, people will always remember the person because of what they did in life, not because of the people they produced.
अग्री टोटली. लेकिन खुद इंसान को लगता है ना कि अरे हमारी फैमिली तो रुक ही जाएगी, इसके बाद हमारी फैमिली तो एक्सपैंड नहीं होगी. ऑफ कोर्स आप तो नहीं रहोगे तब तक.
यार लेगेसी का तो मुझे पता नहीं. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट अ वेरी डिफरेंट टॉपिक राइट नाउ एंड यू आर सपोज्ड टू बी आस्किंग द क्वेश्चंस, बट आई डोंट नो इफ दिस इज वन ऑफ योर क्वेश्चंस, बट आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट दिस एंड Vasuki can also obviously contribute. The ugly truth of being a mother today should be a book, or should be a topic, should be a conversation. The ugly truth of being a mother. I'll tell you why. because here I'm not going to side with the women, and I'm not a feminist, and I hate this word feminism, because the thing is that एक तो आपने बच्चे कर लिए, ठीक है, क्योंकि आपको माँ बनना, पर
which is fine, Ash.
But बच्चे करने के बाद आपको ये realize हुआ कि I'm a woman, I need to stand up for myself, I need to have a career, and I need to go out there and prove to the world that I deserve everything in this world. And I need my husband to, contribute and take care of the house with me. Like, I should not be doing the dishes and I should not be nurturing the house alone, because now I have a child. But I am a woman also, now I have a career to take care of. So what happens is that a certain point of the day, that child is being taken care of by nannies, and I've personally experienced this, and the mother is constantly on the phone looking at the camera कि हाँ चलो ये हो गया कोई बात नहीं, बट फिर क्या होता है, वो बच्चे को बुखार हो जाता है कभी कभार, फिर वो बच्चा माँ के लिए तरसता है, बाप के लिए तरसता है, बट दोनों के पास टाइम नहीं है, बिकॉज दे आर ऑल्सो वर्किंग, दे हैव करियर्स टू टेक केयर ऑफ. फिर वो बच्चा रोता रहता है नानीज के साथ या ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के साथ, एंड दैट चाइल्ड इज ब्रॉट अप लाइक दैट, एंड दिस इज अ स्टेट दैट इज हैपनिंग इन एवरी हाउस होल्ड. I at least know of a lot of actresses that I'm working with who are going through this, and they are depressed and they are anxious and they're crying as mothers.
That's the guilt. That's the mother's famous mother's guilt.
But they are living with that, and they're choosing to live with that, and life is not happy then. The joy that we are talking about,
I don't know about that.
No, the career that you wanted, you're not getting joy from it. Definitely not feeling joyful about the career that you have.
नहीं, Ash, कुछ तो हो सकता है.
नहीं, I'll tell you,
हमको सब चाहिए ना, हमको career भी चाहिए, motherhood भी चाहिए,
आपको सब चाहिए. तो ये सब में क्या होता है, वो जो basic, अब आप बोल रहे हो कि why we talking about this? We are talking about this because look at the vibe of the world ना. कोई खुश है क्या? आज की डेट में कोई खुश है क्या?
असली है भी, इतना पेसिमिस्टिक दुनिया थोड़ी ना है.
I don't see it. आपका करियर,
look at yourself, you are so happy.
करियर होने के बाद भी वो माँ तो खुश नहीं है ना. लेकिन
we don't know that.
कैसे पता?
But I have seen it myself. I know for a fact that and the child is brought up with the iPad and phone, and
but that's the world we live in today.
No, but I
so we can't go back.
I also know of a mother who has possibly given up her entire life and is trekking with her children, is taking her children out every day, because that's the child she wants to, those are the children she wants to bring up in this world. She's taught them the values of not throwing plastic in the environment. She's teaching them meditation. She's taking them to classes here and there because she wants to bring up those kind of children. She wants to bring up that kind of humanity back in this life, and she wants her children, so her children actually tell kids in the school that why do you have a phone? I know of this person who has children who tells first child is about 10 years old, and that child is telling another classmate that you should not have a phone, a phone is not good for you.
मुझे लगता है हमें अपनी मम्मियों को पूछना चाहिए, who maybe homemakers, कि आपको क्या लगता है, बिकॉज हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हमें तो काम भी करना है, हमारा करियर भी है, हमें बच्चा भी सपोर्ट चाहिए होगा. आज की जनरेशन की बात कर रही हूँ, शायद हमारी मम्मीज वुड बी ओके टेकिंग केयर ऑफ जस्ट
my sister, my own sister,
I would be happy.
I don't entirely agree with that,
and that's
but
absolutely fine. But my sister, she stays in the US, and there you don't have help,
you
right?
don't have help, yeah.
So she does everything on her own. She's bringing up the child. They had a dog a couple of years back, so she used to take care of the dog. She used to take care of the house. She used to take care of her husband. She used to take care of her job. But she was happy. She did everything on her own. My niece is so close to my sister. It's the decision to feel joy and think of joy when you want to have everything in your life, is what I feel. As human beings today, you cannot be so blinded and say कि चलो कोई बात नहीं, ऐसा तो चल ही रहा है. If you want the world to change on a very basic grassroots level from within, it has nothing to do with who's doing well in life, who has money, who doesn't have money.
Agree.
It's that thing from within. How do you want to make a difference? Like how you said, how do you want to make difference? What do you want to be remembered for? What is your legacy? I think my friend who's actually devoting all her time to her 2 boys all the time, and she has not lost her sense of self. I've seen her partying in Tomorrowland also, and she's also gone, she loves going to museums. So she travels alone, she gets those 5 days and she goes to museums and she goes to party and she lives her own life at her own terms. And she's doing it beautifully.
पर बच्चों के लिए फिर कौन nannies?
When she's traveling, everything is like there's a timetable. Everything is taken care of. She's monitoring, but 30 days में से 5 दिन भी अगर उसने निकाल लिए तो it's I think
Do you
it's not a
think
crime.
it's easier for women who have, you know, who are wealthier, who can keep nannies for their kids?
But
Do you
यार
think it's
नानी
easier?
अगर करनी थी तो फिर बच्चा क्यों किया?
तो क्योंकि
No, that's
दोनों
not
चीज
fair.
चाहिए ना.
That's not fair.
Yeah.
I don't think that's fair.
हम भाई 24/7
Because back in
मम्मी
the day,
बनना, yeah.
no, back in the day, Ash, you had a lot of help in terms of relatives. You know, the joint family system of India, किसी ने बच्चा किया तो 10 लोग होते थे उस बच्चे को रेज करने के चक्कर में लग जाते थे. I don't think it's entirely fair to say that why have nannies. I still think a child knows the difference between a nanny and a mother. But at the same time, there are so many kids who grow up और कहते हैं कि हमने तो अपने पापा को देखा ही नहीं, वो इतने बिजी थे काम में, लाइफ में, इसमें,
तो अभी तो मम्मी पापा दोनों ही कहते हैं. मतलब the
But
child says कि
who's to say-
हमने देखा ही
नहीं, मैं कह रही हूँ who's to say कि वो बच्चे ठीक grow up, ठीक adults नहीं बनते हैं, या फिर they don't become well adjusted adults. There are many people like that. Firstly, I'm yet to meet a child who's got no complaints with parent style of parenting.
That I agree with. That तो I agree with.
So
You
to
can give them
say this
everything,
is
they still
right,
not
that is wrong, nahi, I grew up with nannies, this, that. Or what about kids who complain ki my parents should not have sent me to boarding school?
Yeah.
And kids who say I should have gone to boarding school, or my parents should have done this, my parents should have. Yeah, so I was actually alluding to what Ash was saying ki so many mothers itne stress mein hain, or you see that they're not happy in their careers because even while they're working, they're probably looking at their kids through a nanny cam, this, that. I was trying to draw an analogy कि there are a lot of times growing up, कभी ना कभी कोई तो ऐसा incident हुआ होगा सबके life में जब हमने बोला है कि I hate my parents and they didn't allow you to do something या कुछ हो जाए. But no matter how much you don't like them at a certain period in your life because they didn't allow you to do something or they're not letting you live your life the way you want to live it, we'll never wish them away. And you'll still love them.
Yeah.
So when it comes to kids, I think with people that don't have kids, and it's a very natural human tendency. We see what we want to see. We see the stress of raising a child. Say, for example, Ash is on a set with a co-star who is a mother, and she's not happy at work also because she's constantly concerned about her child who's at home with a nanny. She's looking at the nanny cam. Ash, what has she taken away from that incident? इतना stress होना ही था तो बच्चा ही क्यों किया?
No, because also,
but we don't see the joy
Yes.
the child brings to that mother.
No, but see, the thing is, judging from a point of view of not knowing is something that one should never do.
Yeah.
When I say I know today, I don't know everything and I don't claim to know everything. But there are eyes and there's a sense of knowing that you get because on a set when you're working from 9 in the morning till 10, 11 in the night, it's more than a full day that you're spending time with another human being.
Yeah.
Whatever time is left for that human being to go back home is the time the child has already gone to sleep. So to say, you're spending more time with that person than the child itself is spending time with that person. So when I do say something as strong as this, the idea is not to belittle or judge another mother because she's trying her level best. She's really trying her level best. But her sense of choices and her decisions are already decided. She's chosen a certain career path.
Yeah.
She's chosen the fact that she wanted to have a child. She's chosen the fact that she's wanted to be a wife to someone. So these are all chosen choices, right? What I feel as a human being when I say, is there joy in all of this? The joy does not limit itself to a certain time of the day.
Maybe we don't see it.
You don't,
Maybe
for you to see
it's very difficult.
But, at this age, when I would talk to you, when I would sit with you, you kind of know. You don't know the complete sense of joy, but you do know from because you know you kind of, today I feel people or world is open in a very deep sense way that you can connect with the soul of a person. How do we connect? How do we connect with each other today? Because everything is out in the open. Somehow all your insecurities, all your weaknesses, all your strengths, they're all out there for people to see.
Yeah, but
Somehow
still sometimes you're not sure about your decisions.
Yes.
You're not. I'm still not sure about my decision.
No, I don't think she's talking about that. She's saying you can see whether you
can see the person.
You can see the person. I have a different take on that. I think it's more difficult to see stress and emotions. Certain emotions are more visual than others. Fulfillment is not a visual emotion. you know,
I have
joy.
to add here.
So she might see the stress of a mother
Yes.
at
See,
work
the stress
with
of
a child, but the fulfillment is not a
But
visual emotion. We can't
compare
see
it,
that.
But now compare
So
it to
maybe
our
she's
mothers.
fulfilled.
Compare it to our mothers. What
Maybe
happen-
she's fulfilled.
Compare
being
it to
a
our
mother.
mothers. Compare it to our mothers. The stress of being a mother is the stress of being a mother irrespective. If you're a mother, the
Yeah.
stress is there.
And that's very visual.
It's very
You can actually see
yeah,
that.
and it's always going
But
to be
we
that.
can't see the joy, the
Now
fulfillment,
imagine when our mothers were bringing us up and they were home while they were doing so, we saw visually the stress of a mother. So कभी कभार एक एक्स्ट्रा थप्पड़ लग गया था, जब हमारी गलती भी नहीं थी तब लग गया था, क्योंकि माँ है भाई, वो कितने काम कर रही है, बट वो क्या है कि वो आपकी आंखों के सामने है, तो वो जो उसका स्ट्रेस है जो आपको मिल रहा है वो आपकी आंखों के सामने है, वो आपको वैसे ब्रिंग अप कर रही है कि एट द एंड ऑफ द डे वो आपको आपके पास लेके हग करके अपना स्ट्रेस भी, आपका स्ट्रेस भी निकाल पा रही है. आज ऐसी नौबत है कि फिजिकली एक माँ और बच्चा एक दूसरे के पास नहीं है, साथ नहीं है. द चाइल्ड इज लेफ्ट ऑन.
पर इतने कहाँ लोग
Not
काम
all.
कर रहे हैं?
नहीं यार,
कितने लोग
सब
तो
कर
घर
रहे
पे ही
हैं.
Not all.
बॉम्बे में
Yeah,
सब कर रहे हैं.
yeah.
बॉम्बे में सबके सब जितने फ्रेंड्स को मैं जानती हूँ, एवरीबडी हैज अ जॉब. एवरीबडी टुडे आई नो ऑफ वांट्स टू
मुझे
हैव
तो
अ
यही
जॉब.
सोच के मजा आ रहा है कि असली शाह का अगर बच्चा हो तो उसको इतने थप्पड़ पड़ते ना असली शाह के, बिकॉज शी इज फुल इन सपोर्ट ऑफ, मार के काम सुधारूंगी मैं तुमको, व्हिच इज राइट. एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट फुलफिलमेंट, आई हैव टू टेल यू, मैं एक साइकोलॉजिस्ट से बात कर रही थी, वन ऑफ
I think lots of mothers, and they don't mind the stress.
They don't mind the stress.
They're like, this
और
is worth
उन्होंने-
it from what I get
Yes.
from my child. ये कुछ भी नहीं है.
Yes, और उन्होंने ना, मैंने सीधा पूछा कि आपके पास बहुत सारे कपल्स आते हैं, ऐसे कपल्स जिनके बच्चे नहीं हैं वर्सेस ऐसे कपल्स जिनके बच्चे हैं, आपको कौन से कपल ज्यादा हैप्पी लगते हैं? तो वो बोली, सी हैप्पीनेस के बजाय मैं फुलफिलमेंट वर्ड यूज करूंगी. सो क्लियरली जो कपल्स के बच्चे हैं वो थोड़ा स्ट्रेस में है, बहुत केओटिक है, कभी उनको समझ नहीं आ रहा है क्या हो रहा है लाइफ में, बट ओवरऑल फुलफिलमेंट वाली जो चीज है ना, वो उन कपल्स में थोड़ी ज्यादा है compared to couples who don't have
children.
kids. But again, we can't generalize.
You can't
That's her
generalize, yeah.
experience, the people who've come to her. And we totally agree
So
on
that's
that
why
aspect.
I keep, you know, we take away what we want to take away, because we are
Exactly.
people that don't have kids, because we're
आपको
trying
नहीं
to
लगता-
constantly look for reasons to validate our own decision.
Yes.
No, I beg to differ on that.
You know, so
I will
maybe
never,
we
I will,
don't see the
no,
fulfillment.
I will
Maybe
never,
we
as-
don't see the joy that a child
No,
brings.
In
I-
fact, I've
would like
realized
to
I
kids.
have all my friends who don't have kids.
No.
हमारा
In
circle
fact,
ही
most
ऐसा
of
बन
my
गया है.
friends also
in fact,
don't.
the friend that I'm talking about who has 2 children, she is so happy and I see her happiness. So my sense of saying that when I don't see the joy does not come from the fact that I want to validate my reasons of not having a child, so I'm happy that someone else see the stress more in someone else's life when they have a child. No, when I see a fulfilled mother, I see a fulfilled, joyful, happy mother.
Yeah.
She is with her
And
kids.
there are a lot of cases
And
like
there
that.
are a lot of cases
But you
like
don't
that.
find that in working mothers.
I don't find that in working mothers. I don't find that in
So there's a
no, that's
mother's
the thing.
guilt. You see the mother's guilt.
Yeah, but then
I have lots of friends, well, not lots, I have quite a few friends who, you know,
So, you know, I
gave
would say-
birth and went straight back to work. There is the mother's guilt.
So
That's a
there-
very real
So then
thing.
I would say,
that's a very
ये
real
जो
thing.
एक percentage we were talking about certain women who don't know if they want to have a child, but they have a
Yeah.
child because वो peer
Because
pressure
it's a
होता
done
है,
thing, yeah.
वो जो
Yeah.
हो जाता है.
Everyone
चलो,
around you is having a child
उस
and-
reason
तो
की
ऐसे
वजह से
लोगों को आप क्या एडवाइस दोगे?
ये-
There are
मैं
lot of
यही-
women who not sure कि
हाँ।
उनको चाहिए या नहीं चाहिए, तो
मैं-
आप क्या बताओगे?
तो उन लोगों को तो मैं स्पेशली ये कहूंगी कि आप थोड़ा सोच लो. मैं तो ये कहूंगी कि अगर आपको करियर चाहिए ना, तो ऐसे लोगों को स्पेशली मैं कहूंगी कि अगर आपको करियर चाहिए, प्लीज वो करियर करिए. आप सोचो आपको बच्चा चाहिए
तो
कि नहीं.
असली आप कह रहे हो या तो आपको करियर मिलेगा या मदरहुड मिलेगा, आपको
नहीं,
दोनों
नहीं,
चीज नहीं मिलेगी.
ऐसे जो विमेन है जो सोच रही हैं, जो इनडिसाइसिव है, जो पीयर प्रेशर के वजह से, ट्रेडिशंस की वजह से, आजू बाजू लोगों के वजह से बच्चा करना चाहती हैं या उनके ऊपर थोपा गया है, उनको तो ये सोचने का मौका मिलना चाहिए कि यार सोच लो.
तो इंसान को बच्चा कब करना चाहिए? जो जेन्युइनली वो फीलिंग आए तभी करना चाहिए.
जेन्युइनली फीलिंग अगर करना चाहिए तो वो हो ही जाएगा ना. आपके सोचने या नहीं सोचने
क्यों?
से नहीं
सोचने
होगा.
से तो होगा.
हमारे साथ क्यों नहीं हुआ? क्योंकि हम सोच रहे हैं.
हाँ.
हमारे साथ इसलिए नहीं हुआ क्योंकि हम सोच रहे हैं. we have at least given it a thought, we have given it a certain time of the day to understand if this is something that we want, and that's absolutely okay. I think normalize it. That's what I'm trying to say. I think this should be normal. This should be a conversation. This should be normal, because there are people, there are girls who probably are getting married because they are supposed to get married, who are probably having children because they are supposed to have children. And then what happens in their life, the chaos that comes in their life, I think we can be done with that. It's okay to say that No, we do not wish that drama. You know, collectively, you know what will happen to this world then? There will be a little less chaos. There will be a little less unhappiness. There will be people who will be a little more sorted in life. Because क्या होता है, आप खुद एक chaotic environment में हो, आप वापस एक ऐसे इंसान को या अपने बच्चे को chaotic environment में ला रहे हो, collective consciousness दुनिया का वो बन गया है.
मैं ना आई कैन विजुअलाइज रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी एक पर्टिकुलर कपल की, ठीक है, जो सोसाइटीज में रहते हैं शहरों में, वेरेवर, अहमदाबाद, बॉम्बे, दिल्ली. आप सुबह सुबह 7 बजे आते हो, पापा फटाफट वो लिफ्ट के लिए लोग रुके हैं, चल जल्दी जल्दी बस आ रही है बस आ रही है, फिर फटाफट नीचे जाते हैं, बस के लिए आप रुके हो क्योंकि बस उसी टाइम पे आएगी. आप भाग रहे हैं, ऊपर से मम्मी बाय कर रही है, मम्मी बैग दे रही है, टिफिन दे रही है, फिर मम्मी पापा ऊपर आ रहे हैं, हल्का सा उनको टाइम मिलता है, मे बी चाय वाय लेते हैं, फिर अपनी खुद की जॉब के लिए जाना, अपना टिफिन भरना. सो मैं कभी कभी कितना भागना पड़ रहा है इन लोगों को, ये लोग चैन की सांस कब लेंगे.
नहीं, बट मैं कभी ऐसे नहीं देखती. आई स्वेयर मैं कभी ऐसे नहीं देखती. एंड वी डोंट नो ईच अदर, बट आई मे कम अक्रॉस, और मे बी इवन टू द व्यूअर्स, आई मे कम अक्रॉस दैट आई एम जजिंग अ पर्सन हु हैज चाइल्ड हु इज स्ट्रेस्ड, एंड व्हाट आई एम टेकिंग अवे फ्रॉम द सिचुएशन इज दैट पर्सन इज स्ट्रेस्ड.
Yes.
आई डोंट लुक इट लाइक दैट. व्हाट आई इन द एंड व्हाट आई वुड वांट टू एम्फसाइज इज कि अगर आपको करियर चाहिए तो खुश रहो. अगर आपको करियर, बच्चा, पति का फैमिली चाहिए तो उसके साथ भी खुश रहो. लर्न टू फाइंड द हैप्पीनेस.
सब स्ट्रेस तो गिल्ट मत करो.
अगर आपने बच्चों को ग्रैंडपेरेंट्स या नानी के पास रखा है तो वो जो गिल्ट है ना आपका, वो गिल्ट से आप अपना एनवायरनमेंट में बनाओ, आपका फाउंडेशन
आपको पता है क्या मदर्स के साथ होता होगा, एग्जैक्टली अपने हिसाब से उनको अपब्रिंगिंग चाहिए, और अगर तीसरा इंसान तुम्हारे हिसाब से उनको एग्जैक्टली अपब्रिंगिंग नहीं दे पा रहा है, एग्जैक्टली वो खिला नहीं पा रहा है, तो आप स्ट्रेस लेते हो. तो फिर बिंदास रहोगे, ठीक है अब मैंने छोड़ा है ना, अब वो लोग देख लेंगे. एंड द चाइल्ड विल आल्सो.
मेरे सिचुएशन में कुछ भी हो सकता है. मैं ये नहीं कहती कि मैं कल चेंज नहीं हो जाऊंगी. क्या पता, जैसे आपने कहा हार्मोन्स होते हैं, हार्मोनल लेवल पे कल को 2 साल बाद अगर मैं रोने लग गई, यार मुझे बच्चा चाहिए, आई वांट टू हैव अ चाइल्ड, आई वांट टू फील कंप्लीट नाउ, और मे बी समथिंग हैपेंस इन माय लाइफ एंड आई फील दैट oh shit, why didn't I freeze my eggs, and why didn't I don't think, I think I'll be really stupid a human being कि उस पॉइंट में आके मैं रोऊंगी और मेरे रोने की वजह से मेरे आजू बाजू के जो जितने लोग हैं उनकी लाइफ बहुत ही ख़त्म कर दूंगी रो रो के कि मैंने बच्चा नहीं किया. डिसीजन मेरा था. तो अगर मैं मेरे वजह से बाकी सब लोगों की ज़िंदगी ख़राब कर रही हूँ कि मेरा क्या डिसीजन था, तो ये तो किसी भी पहलू में, लाइफ के किसी भी एस्पेक्ट में अगर आप देखोगे ना, अगर आप आपके किसी भी डिसीजन की वजह से यू आर कॉजिंग सम काइंड ऑफ अनहैप्पीनेस टू यू एंड टू दोज अराउंड यू, दैट इज़ द प्रॉब्लम. तो वो चाहे मॉम गिल्ट हो, चाहे कुछ भी हो, मत करो.
Talking about what Ash is talking about, mother's guilt. This whole process of having a child, unfortunately, it's the parents that make it such a debatable topic. The child itself is not doing that.
Yeah.
If you understood in your life, कि I'm a working mother, I want to have a child, I may not be able to have a completely fulfilling career and a completely fulfilling
motherhood. Yeah.
Make your peace with that.
That is what I was trying to say.
ये मत करो.
And
don't go and give lectures and interviews and say that I focused so much on my career, I feel bad, I didn't give time to my children. Boss, you should have realized that.
You should have realized that.
Are you not smart enough to know that? But when you go on TV, especially famous people, when they do this, when you go on TV and say, I feel guilty about this, what are the hundreds and thousands of other mothers thinking? They're like, oh, we also should feel guilty. Remove that mother's guilt.
Yeah.
It's okay. Kids will grow up to be fine. My mother was a homemaker. She never woke up in the morning to get me ready to go to school. My maids helped me. My mother was still a very laid-back homemaker. She'll wake up at 9:30.
But then she was privileged to have those maids.
She was privileged to have those. What I'm trying to say, Shraddha, is that my mother, born with a golden spoon in her mouth, she's a princess, spoilt to a certain extent. Even I'm not that, but the point is, on the days that she would wake up, me and my brother was like, oh God, she's up, she'll be in a, she's cranky in the mornings. So things like that. But today, do I hold it against her? No. If anything, it made me more independent because I learned how to do my own hair. I learned how to polish my own shoes. I learned how to do all those things. So I think kids will grow up fine with or without your guilt.
And there was this
your guilt in fact ruins things for the people around you and maybe for your children also. I should have done this, I should have done that. But you knew. You're a working mother. You know that. And be happy that even with the trade-off, at least you're able to, you might want to give 100%. Why? Ask the children, na? Should their mothers be guilty? Today, if my mother came to me and said, shit, I should have done, you know, this when you were a kid. I should be able to tell my mother, you don't need to feel guilty. I'm perfectly, I'm fine.
Yeah.
You know, I don't blame you. Raise your kids to be independent enough to not blame their parents for everything that's happening to them. Maybe. Of course, your parents will have some role to play in the way you grow up as a human being. But, and it's, Shraddha, you cannot do away with this. For example, I have a younger brother, okay? We've had the same upbringing. But he views his relationship with my parents differently to what I view. Maybe he has a few grouses. Maybe I don't. Maybe I don't blame my parents for anything. There are few things he might blame my parents. We've had the same upbringing, but two people will view it very differently.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You know, so your mother's guilt,
even having the same
the parental guilt that you have,
and then you throw it on not only on yourself,
people around you,
on your child also. You throw it.
It's a bit irritating.
It's, you know, this is what I'm talking about, and now, like, I understand what she's saying, and I hope she understands what I was trying to get at. Is that do away with that? You know, do away with the fact that your choices in your life as a human being should not be so heavy on yourself or someone around you that life becomes like, क्या चल रहा है यार? And यही
having control of your life जो कभी-कभी नहीं होता है लोगों के हाथ में. बस
no, make your peace with that.
Make peace with that.
Be okay with that.
Be okay with that.
It's not the end of the world. Today you didn't go to pick up your child from school. It's okay. If your child has a car and driver, your child will come home. It's not the end of the bloody world.
Yeah.
You know, कभी-कभी ये लगता है कि हमारे पेरेंट्स को कितना लगता होगा. Every grandparent, everyone would want to be your grandparent, right? Your parents, your in-laws, उनको लगता है. But हमारे इस decision की वजह से उनको कितना बुरा लगता होगा, उस बात का तुम लोगों को बुरा लगता है?
हाँ, मैं कभी-कभार मैं संदीप से बात करती हूँ और you know, I was just telling her before we started rolling that parents are growing old, and I feel for the parents, and they've been so loving and giving, especially.
But do they want grandkids?
But of course they want grandchildren, and of course they voice it out.
So we are depriving them of that love.
And sometimes I've had conversations with Sandeep saying that should we have kids for them? Should we have kids so that they are happy, and should we make them happy? And you know, maybe after 4-5 years, if I do feel like having a child, then will I miss that time?
Yes.
Like, and then these are all questions that I sit back and I know that they're coming from the mind. This data, this software, it's all coming from here. Because once one question starts, another question starts, and another question starts, is it coming from here? Is it something that I really, really want? Can I see where these questions are coming from? Are they my questions? Are they my concerns? Is it something that I really, really want? Then I would have done it, right? I will do it, right? अगर मुझे 50 साल की उम्र में भी बच्चा चाहिए होगा, then I'll make sure that I'll have a child. I will have a child.
एक टाइम के बाद तो खुद का
I will adopt. There are ways to do that. But I'm just saying that if I really, 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 really want to have a child, I will really, 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 really have a child. You know what I'm trying to say? So I need to, at least I really feel blessed to have that sense of awakening that I can see where these questions are coming from. What do they mean? I want to understand the intent that my parents have or his parents have when they say that they want grandchildren.
Intent नहीं, उनका तो प्यार होता है, and they want somebody.
My parents are okay. There was a time, I think, when my mother really wanted me to have a child, and she said, "Oh, give me all these reasons. No, it'll make your bond go stronger and all of that."
Yeah.
And I said, "Isse zyada strong, so I'll die of strangulation." Like I was like, "Itna theek hai mere liye life mein." You know, I'm very fulfilled and content with the love I have in my life. And then the pandemic happened. I think that shook her a bit. She said, "Mat karo."
क्यों? ऐसा
इस दुनिया में नहीं चाहिए.
इस दुनिया में नहीं.
We've never seen anything like it.
Yeah.
And with people constantly telling you that this is not going to be the last pandemic. This is not going to be the last disease that takes the world by storm, or this is not going to be the this thing. And the fear of people having children in the pandemic, a 3-month-old baby getting COVID, us not understanding what COVID is going to do to you, or long COVID, or this. I had old people in the house. Fear for them. Ki COVID, you know, they'll die of COVID. So something in the pandemic changed my mother's mind. My mother's like, "You're happy?" I said, "Very."
Yeah.
She said, "Mat karo."
See, ultimately जो होना है वो होता है. COVID आ जाए, बच्चे हो, ना हो. The thing is to be वो अपना fulfillment हर किसी को ढूंढना. That's the duty for ourselves. बच्चे हो या ना हो,
You know, earlier you asked what is the advice you give. I actually don't advise people. when people ask me, I'll say, if you're asking for me, for my opinion, for my life, because my reasons only will suit my life. My reasons may not even suit your life. मैं तो इस बारे में एडवाइस देती ही नहीं हूँ. The only, and even if I'm pushed to,
और ये एडवाइस दे भी नहीं सकते, पता है, ऐसी एडवाइस तो दे भी नहीं सकते हैं, बिकॉज पहली बात तो ये है कि अगर आप ऐसी एडवाइस दे रहे हो तो यू आर डेफिनेटली गोइंग इन फॉर,
you're not mature enough if you're advising somebody else.
और हम कैसे दे सकते हैं? Somebody who's lived a life without a child, without children, and then when they had a baby, they've lived that life. फिर वो सही लोग भी होंगे. Because उनको ये दुनिया भी पता है, वो दुनिया भी पता है, then according to the experience they can speak.
Not really, because like, you know, Shraddha, once you have a child, you can't think in retrospect and say how life would have been if I didn't have a child. Then everything about in your life becomes about that child. Tomorrow, even if Ash and I have a kid, no matter how much we don't feel like it today, our lives will revolve around that child.
Do you think that's a problem? प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है? जैसे ही बच्चा आता है, हम हमारी पूरी जिंदगी जैसे उस बच्चों के लिए अर्पण कर देते हैं. And that's why like shit, यार, my career is not going anywhere. I don't have time for myself.
No, but you know, I'm sorry to say, but I've been through that. You know, Sandeep and I, when we met, we kind of got a Cocker Spaniel, and that became our child. And we grew up.
Dog ko.
I'm sorry to say. I'm sorry. That's something. I'm sorry, guys.
But can I say something here before you move on, Ash? And a lot of people do this, by the way. You know, when you were about to say dog को बच्चे के साथ compare
जो बहुत लोग करते ही हैं.
No, hold on. But let me tell you something. I don't think when people give examples like that, क्योंकि मैं वैसे examples देती रहती हूँ. How I feel about my dog. I'm not comparing my dog with your child.
Yeah.
I'm comparing your love for your child with my love for my dog.
Yeah.
The object of love is different, but the love
is the
same.
Today, if somebody says, are you trying to tell me you love your dog as much as I love my child? Boss, if I'm not questioning your love for your child, why are you questioning my love for my dog?
No, because
I'll be honest with you. If my dog can spend money, I'll leave my entire estate to my dog.
Yeah. And I feel...
So how can anybody else question my love for my dog?
I know what she's saying. And to come back to what you were saying, when we got Billion together, I became a mother in a real sense. Now, my father always had dogs every time, wherever he was posted. So we were always mothers to those pets that were home, right? But in true sense, sharing a pet with your partner and your loved partner, what happens is you do become mummy daddy. You do play that part. And then I was 18 years old. I grew up with Billion. Billion lived a long, fulfilled life. He lived till he was 15 years old. But the last few years of his life, when he had cancer, he was about 13 and a half and he had cancer, and I met you that time. I gave up working. I didn't want to work. I was home with him.
And you probably mourned him when he passed.
And I was home with him, and and Sandeep was working because obviously he could go to work, but I was home. I used to take him to the vet, and I went through all those emotions a mother would go through because my child was not well. So when you ask me that, have I felt like a mother? I grew up with this baby of mine, and that was my life. We used to take him everywhere when I used to travel. We used to travel. We used to especially go to Goa. For the first time, I saw Sandeep playing the part of a father, because Thalassa has this, at that time, they had a Roti, and that Roti was this huge, hefty Roti, you know. So he was wanting to play with Billion, my little Cocker Spaniel, and Sandeep was so scared, and he was behaving like a complete father, protecting his baby, ki nahi, he is not going to be down, he is not going to play. And so we've played that part, that sense of love, that sense of nurturing someone, so, and you know.
Coming, you know, this, and it's very true because I completely identify with that. I have dogs of my own, and I'm actually a very maternal person.
I'm a very maternal person.
And you know, another thing which is funny, whenever I tell certain people that I don't want to have children,
they tell you that you should have a child because you're very maternal.
No, not only that, you know, Ash, a lot of people very negatively, if you give them your reasons, and usually what are your reasons? You know, what all the reasons that we gave throughout this, you know, ki what is the world coming to, or, you know, what will the world my child inhabit? They want to sound very dismissive about those larger reasons, and they'll say, "Acha, nahi, lekin aapko responsibility nahi chahiye." But तुम कैसे जानते हो मैं कितनी responsible हूँ?
Exactly.
When I adopted,
reasons दिए ना हमने, वो
they don't want to believe it.
They don't want to believe it. I agree.
Because
बच्चे से क्या ही फर्क पड़ेगा इस दुनिया में?
She's saying such a beautiful thing right now.
They want to be dismissive because they don't want to believe that you have, you know,
आप इतना दूर का सोच रहे हो. आप ये बताओ कि आपको responsibility
immediately. No, and people have told me, अच्छा आपको अपनी figure खराब नहीं करनी है.
Exactly.
And I'm like, what?
तो ये बात है, मतलब see, was this
they want to believe that your reasons are very Basil.
Yeah,
पर हो सकता
They
है,
want to
see,
believe that
nothing
your
is
reasons are
Suki.
very superficial.
Nothing tops than the statement that most of the women make is that you will not be a complete woman till you have a baby. That you are not a full woman only.
But
मतलब
the love
यहाँ
is
तक
the
बात
same.
यहाँ तक अब आ गई ये बात कि मतलब आप तो हो ही नहीं, पूरी औरत ही नहीं हो आप. Because you don't have a child, you are not a complete woman. So it's gone to that extent also, without people knowing that the moment you came out of your mother's womb, your essence of being a woman was always within you. It is not just because you didn't have a child or you have a child, it is inside you. You will nurture everything as a woman. In fact, if you...
No, and some people are not nurturing also. There's some women who are not, but there's some women who are.
But
and who
it's
still
there,
decide to not.
But I think it's there as women, it's there in us.
तुम लोगों को कभी भी अपना ये दिमाग में था कि मेरा करियर अफेक्ट होगा if I have a baby, या तो मुझे जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज ज्यादा मिलेंगे, or probably I can have bigger dreams.
No, never. I don't think your career has anything to do with the
figure.
No, not at all.
Honestly, I can afford to have many children, and it won't hurt my life in any way.
Yeah.
But that was never, career in terms of work. And
your
actually
body,
that's the thing. I'm saying lots of people, Shraddha, वो मानना ही नहीं चाहते हैं कि आपके intentions या आपके reasons थोड़े, I'm not saying noble, but थोड़े, they can be well thought out. They can be bigger than yourself.
Yeah.
They want to believe कि आपके reasons बहुत superficial हैं.
Yeah.
आप अपना figure खराब नहीं करना चाहते हो. अच्छा, आपको responsibility नहीं चाहिए. Boss, I'm a very responsible person. Forget that. Even toward my friends, as a human being, I'm a very I run a business.
100%.
I can't be or not want responsibility and run a business. But they don't want to believe it because maybe it makes them. Then they think that जब हम अपने reasons देते हैं कि हमारे reasons इतने ऐसे हैं, शायद उनको कहीं लगता होगा that we're judging them. But I'm not judging you. ठीक है, आप उनके बारे में नहीं सोच रहे हो. Good for you. My mother also didn't think about those reasons. It doesn't mean I'm judging her or you.
Generally, लोग इतना larger picture नहीं सोचते हैं.
And it's okay. I'm not judging you. They immediately feel complexed. Ki maybe she's judging me, so let me put down her reasons to be very superficial. And she's masking her superficial reasons with all these, macro issues. But that's not the case.
Okay.
And the case is also not like what she said. I feel like when I also grew up with dogs. I grew up with pets. My mother had a domestic zoo, guinea hens and geese and rabbits and dogs. But for the first time, I felt like a mother when I got my own pet.
Yeah.
First 6 months, I had no social life.
I understand what you're saying.
I didn't go for dinners. I didn't go out to party. Okay, I have done things for my dog. I mean, I can't even say them on camera because they're actually physically disgusting. But I have done things for my dog that people don't need to do even for their children.
Yeah. I agree.
And
I know what
and
you're
the things
saying.
that I've done. So point is, how can you, when somebody says, you're comparing your dog to my child, I'm not comparing a human being to an animal. I'm comparing our emotions to each other. And you cannot tell me that you possibly can't love your dog as much as I love my child. I'm not questioning your love for your child. Why are you questioning my love for my dog?
Just the thought of loving your dog so much
is alien to a lot of people.
And it's also very alien.
If I lose my dog, she's lost her dog. She probably mourned for a whole year.
Yeah.
Or, more than that.
It was very difficult for me to get back to work.
It probably brings her back to tears. So how do you know?
And also what she said in the beginning of the interview, the love and the nurturing she has towards her partner. It's very alien. The way I look, how I am with Sandeep and the kind of love that I can, throw on him and pamper him and give him that sense of that I feel that
your maternal instincts get fulfilled.
For
me, it's the other way around. I get my husband, Mickey, he's very motherly. Sometimes I joke with him. I'm like, I feel like I married my mother. He's extremely nurturing. He's a little, how do I put it? Like he's motherly, he's a little feminine, like he's got that in him.
Yeah.
So it's got nothing to do with a man or a woman or whatever. Maybe you can find that with your partner if you've chosen well.
100%. Such a profound thing
so
to
I don't
feel
like, I don't feel like I'm not able to feel those emotions. I'm feeling those emotions, just not for my own child.
And today, because you're asking us, we're probably talking about this, but I'm telling you, I don't know her really well, but I'm 100% sure people like her and me, we don't even talk about this, because you know what? No one is going to understand this. Nobody is going to understand this. Nobody is going to think it's okay. It's normal. No one is going to do that. What happens is when someone comes and tells us you're less of a woman because you're not a mother, you just kind of smile and just like...
People say that to you? I mean, nobody's really like...
No, I have been told North in Delhi, it's quite normal.
मुझे तो थोड़ा डरते हैं।
लोग मुंह पे भी कभी-कभी पूछते हैं।
मुझे तो थोड़ा डरते हैं।
बच्चे का बच्चा नहीं ऐसे कभी हंसते-हंसते not quite.
Actually, I've never experienced anybody telling me to my face that it was the only thing, the couple of things that I've experienced is when people say that, Acha, you don't want the responsibility. I'm like, no, did you not just listen to me? Did I just not give you all my reasons? From all of that, you've completely euphemized my reasons to such superficial nonsense.
True.
Don't want the responsibility, figure kharab nahi karna. I'm like, no.
So, how important it is for a woman to be financially independent to take such decisions by herself?
100%.
100%.
So, a woman
not
who's
just
not
these
working,
decisions, not just these decisions. Any decision.
Any decision.
Man or woman. Financial independence makes you fully be the person that you want to be.
Agreed.
You'll have more confidence. Even if you're still not the person you want to be, it will give you that confidence to exercise that option. I mean, there's no debate about financial independence.
Like, I don't know any other existence. I don't know.
I know another existence and I'm telling you it's...
No, I wouldn't know because I started working...
Yeah, she started.
When you were very young. So, जो lady कमाती नहीं है, वो ये नहीं बोल पाएगी कि मुझे बच्चा नहीं चाहिए.
शायद बोल पाएगी. शायद बोल पाएगी and she will be able to do it if her support system is great.
Support system is very
important.
If
her support system is not great, if her support system is not great, she won't.
Support system, yeah. At the end of the day, yeah.
और कितने couples में ये होगा, एक को नहीं चाहिए होगा, एक को चाहिए. लेकिन फिर भी, then whatever decision you take.
One of them comes and meets a middle ground somewhere.
Yes, yes.
Somewhere. And it entirely depends on the mutual respect that couple has, right?
Yeah.
And how much you're willing to stand up to outside forces. चाहे family हो गया, in-laws हो गए, दोस्त हो गए, ये हो गया.
Because
like when I took,
you need to stand for your partner.
If your partner is not,
even family.
Family also, yeah. But then again, if your partner is not like in tune with what you think and you say, and you are not in tune with what partner is thinking and saying, then it's such a big recipe for chaos. Because then how do you face the world? The other sector of the world, you know? How do you, so you know, if your partner is in tune with you, तो फिर तो क्या है, फिर तो कोई भी decision हो यार.
And your support, you know, like what I was saying at the end of the day, you know, Shraddha, when I decided to marry my husband, who's almost as old as my father, I told my parents, okay, all of that happened, all of that drama happened, finally, you know, they took years, months to come around. I don't know the stress my mother had to go through to explain to her family and my father's family. So it's that support.
It's that support.
अब मैंने अपने मम्मी पापा को समझा दिया, but मैंने अपने दादा दादी को, नाना नानी को, मामा मामी को, चाचा चाची को, उन लोगों को तो मैंने नहीं समझाया ना. उन लोगों को तो मेरे मम्मी पापा ने समझाया होगा.
किसी को
so that support
वो जो होता है ना,
100%.
I found that support in Sandeep because see Sandeep, like I said, he never wanted na. But then again, he never put it on me, na, because he always said that if you want and if you feel that you want this experience for yourself to feel complete in any which way, then I'm there with you. Yeah. So it was always like, I don't want it, but then for you, I'm ready to give you the world. So that sense of support and that sense very important.
And a sense of support, like I said, you know, from your family to be able to take that batting, to bat on your behalf. But coming to your question, will a woman who is not financially independent be able to take these decisions? Yes, if she has the support. No, if she does not have the familial or spousal support.
Yeah,
agree.
You know, but will financial independence make her life a lot easier for her to be able to take these decisions? 100%, without doubt.
She doesn't
Financial
need anyone.
Independence changes a lot of things.
A lot of things.
And it has no bearing on your love for your parents or not.
Yeah.
True. You know, a lot of people say, like for me, say if I didn't want to get married at 22 and I thought to myself, if I want to take a decision that is, you know, not the decision of my family, and I tell myself ki, shit, for me to take that decision, I need to become financially independent, it doesn't mean that my family does not love me enough. But that financial independence removes that dependence on your parents. Say, for example,
agree, got it.
I'll give you an example. I don't want to get married. My parents are kind of putting pressure on me to get married. एक parallel conversation ये चल रहा है शादी के बारे में. और एक पैरेलल कॉन्वर्सेशन ये चल रहा है कि at the end of every month I'm still calling my father to ask him for money. You know, on one hand, on one track I'm not listening to him. On another track I need him. If you remove that need part, this conversation will be on a more level playing field.
Agree. Absolutely.
And love has nothing to do in all of this.
Yeah.
It just, you know, because by then you're an adult. You know, it has to be on a level playing field. So financial independence changes a lot of things. Lot of things.
Totally agree. So on this note, I have to tell you that this was very, you know, it's a very personal discussion and you could do that. So many women would be not very comfortable doing it for various reasons. So it takes a lot of strength, what you all did. एंड यू नो हो सकता है काफी लोगों को लगे क्या ही औरतें मतलब क्या ही आजकल ये सोचते हैं कि बच्चे नहीं चाहिए, लिव इन है, खुद से बहुत साल कुत्ते को बच्चा बना दिया है, अपने से बहुत बड़े यू नो 20 साल के बड़े इंसान से शादी की है, बट फिर भी यू नो चीजें कितनी अपने हिसाब से देखते हैं, पर जो है सो है. अल्टीमेटली
खुशी ढूंढो यार,
खुशी ढूंढो, आप खुश हो तो सब कुछ सही है. And on that note, it was a lovely conversation.
Thank you for having us. And you know what I really feel nice is that I've gotten to know her, and really it's amazing because we could feel that we don't want children, but we are very different people.
Yeah.
But still we've united and we kind of had a discussion. We've kind of understood each other, and that's beautiful. I think that's really nice.
True.
This went off really well.
Yeah.
Lovely. Thank you.
Thank you.